Hi everyone, welcome back to the class, and today we're going to discuss about limits. First of all, when you open the new drawing guys, in this new drawing, first of all what we're going to do is firstly set units, okay? First of all, we must set units, and then I'm going to type here, okay? Let me type here guys so that you can understand. Firstly, when you open new drawing, you must set units firstly, and then what you're gonna do is limits, okay, and then check status bar, okay. This is status bar guys, you can check, okay. I'm just setting aside, and now let's discuss limits guys. Before setting limits, what I said is firstly we must go through units, and let's command just enter unit command un and click on enter, okay. In this class I'm gonna say tell you the minimum basic guys so that you can easily understand. You can see drawing units, length type as decimal guys, I'm going to set as decimal, and precision as 0.4 after point 4 zeros, okay. And then angle type means decimal degrees is enough, and precision we must set at least 2 points guys, 0.00 like that. And then intersection scale, in this intersection scale you must set at least meters guys is enough, okay. As being a civil engineer, you're gonna draw the outer line of a building mainly, okay, and the lighting as default international, and direction as default from east, okay, angle as I said earlier class, okay, in E2 class, okay, and click on OK. And now let's set limits guys. For setting limits, what's the command for limits? And just write it down guys, what I'm showing here, just write it down, limits. And what's the command for limits? Limits, okay. And specify lower left corner, just pause the video and just write it down, this one, okay. Okay, I think so you have all written what I shown you, okay. And then I'm just dragging here, and now let's set limits. What's the command for limits? LIMITS, okay, and click on enter, okay. And then what we're gonna do is just see command bar guys. Command bar shows you what we're gonna do in the next step. And see here limits, specify lower left corner means this corner guys, you can see this is the corner, specify lower left corner. By default it is 0 comma 0, and I'm showing you 0 comma 0, and click on enter, okay. Our next one is specify upper right corner. In upper right corner is showing 420 comma 297. 420 comma 297 is a landscape and landscape A3 sheet guys. I'm gonna tell you in the upcoming classes, okay, what is 420 297, what's the sheet, and A3 guys, that's a A3 sheet. And just enter 100 comma 100. I'm just entering 100 comma 100 guys, see here, okay, and click on enter, okay. And you can see specify upper right corner 100 comma 100, and you can see here, okay. It's not let's click on zoom, enter, and here it is all a enter. That's it, guys. This is 100 comma 100 limits is set at. And that's it guys. In from next class I'm gonna teach you the drawing tools, modify, and annotation in sequel order guys, layers and so on for sequel orders, okay. And let's see in next class. Until then, bye bye.